Perfect.
And welcome back to the channel. I got a special one for you guys today. Here is my newly purchased 1998 Z28 Camaro. I got this about a month ago. I've been driving it around. It's actually pretty nice. Let me show you the inside real quick. So 95% of this interior has all been replaced by the past owner. It's got brand new carpets in it. It's kind of hard to see because they got the floor mats in it, but brand new carpets. Seats have been replaced, looking brand new. It's got a dash cover on it. It does have the older, uglier style steering wheel. I do want to get the better looking steering wheel. It's got these aftermarket control knobs. So there, and then it's got the control knobs here. But as you can see, the interior is looking really clean. Let's go to the trunk. Same thing here. It is missing the covers for the radios back here, but that's not too big of a deal to me. As you can see, this has all been replaced too, looking really clean. Another reason why I bought this car is for the T-tops. So let me show you those T-tops. Man, I fell in love with this car when I seen that it had T-tops. I really wanted the T-tops. The 94 Camaro that I have doesn't have T-tops, so it's a big upgrade. It's really nice. On the outside, this thing isn't the greatest on paint, and I'll tell you why. Because this car was actually in a fire. The car was in the garage when the house was on fire, and they were luckily able to get it out of the garage before it all burned down.
Look at that.
But as you can see, in some spots you can see that the clear coat is coming off, so the paint's not the best. If you look inside the door jambs, you can see the yellow from the smoke. But I'll put up a picture right now of what the car looked like when they got it out of the house. And then even for the trunk, you can see how yellow it is in there. See, that's not a big deal to me because the car is still really, really nice. I'll go back into the interior. So we still got the stock monsoon radio. I do plan on replacing that. That's going to be in a future video, so it's coming real soon. It is an automatic. It's not a manual like the older car that I have, but it is still really nice. None of the latches are broken on the center console. This door panel is actually really good. The plastic piece on the driver's side is popping off a little bit, but it's not a huge deal to me. One thing I also like about this car is in the 94 Camaro, there's only one cup holder. On this one, we have this hidden away one right here, which is kind of cracked right here, but it still has its structural integrity. So we got one here, we fold that in, two in the middle, and then 3, 4 in the back, which is really nice. And first, when I seen this car and I decided I wanted to buy it, I thought I was not gonna like these seats because the 94 Camaro that I have, it has a different kind of seat, a different kind of material. But sitting in these seats, is really nice. They're really comfortable, and I wouldn't take them out. Yeah, they're really nice. The seats have been replaced. We'll go to the back here. You see how clean it is back here. I got an extra floor mat down for no reason. I'm gonna put these floor mats in instead of the blue. They are nice to have floor mats in there, but I do like the black look better. So this is the back seat. As you can see, super clean in here. Although it looks like the back window did have tint on it and then it was removed. I am gonna have to have all that cleaned up because I do want to put a brand new tint in this car. So another quirky thing about this car, let me move this back here. So unlike my 94 Camaro, I didn't even know they had this when I went to go look at the car, but this side is actually powered seats. So you go back and forward. I didn't even know that they made power seats for these 90s Camaros, but I was really happy when I was test driving the car and found out that it does have these. So we'll go to the rims. These are just the basic rims that came on the 98 Camaro. You see the little GM logo. Camera doesn't want to focus today. Okay, there's the little GM logo. These are 16-inch rims, but I do have a special treat for you guys. I did order rims and they're coming in the mail right now, so look forward to that video coming out real soon. But like I said, the interior of this car is just absolutely amazing. I really love the way that these 98 Camaros look for the interior wise compared to the 94. It's just like a really nice facelift. And talking about facelifts, we'll go to the front of the car. The 98 Camaro did come with a facelift. This is known as the Catfish Camaro, and I really wanted a Catfish Camaro. I remember last summer I was out at a car show with my family, and I pointed at a Catfish Camaro and I said, I really like those Catfish Camaros. Kind of like test out the vibe to see if how my dad and uncle and grandpa would like, what they would say if they were like, nah, those cars are really ugly, or yeah, those are not that bad. And they actually really like these cars, so I knew since then I had to own one. And finally got my Catfish Camaro. It looks a lot better than, in my opinion, than the older 4th gen Camaros. So let's go on the hood here. So right here, you would think it's the LS1, but the original LS1 that came in this car, the original owner threw a piston through the block, causing like a softball size hole in the side of the block. So this engine is actually a 4.8 liter out of a 2001 Silverado. It's got 853 heads, 918 comp springs. It's actually a really nice engine. It's got all the LS1 accessories, so it looks just like an LS1. That's exactly what I wanted. Even the LS intake, I'm actually like super in love with just the way this engine looks. I do plan on modifying this car just a little bit. There's not much that it needs to do. Who knows what we do in the future. I know my dad said that I should put turbos on it. That's a great idea, and I would love to do that. But we'll see how everything goes. Yeah, there's the engine. Let me start this up for you real quick so you guys can hear it. Inside. I do got a check engine light on, and it's for the O2 sensors, but that did come with the car. Let's turn this off. So let me go over all the extra stuff I got with this car. I actually got a lot. Let's go to the other side. I got the sun going down now. So all the extra stuff I got with this car, I am gonna put couple pictures and videos I do have of this stuff, but right off the top of my head, I got a comp spring, we got the oxygen sensors, I did get a full set of Strano lowering springs, so that's actually really nice, and that's gonna go on the car soon. Push rods, ignition coil packs, valve springs, 806 aluminum heads, and it also came with a Pioneer radio, a double din. Like I said, I'm gonna throw up a video and any pictures I have all this extra stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna take you guys out on a little ride, just a couple blocks or a couple laps around this parking lot, just to show you guys what the car is all about. I'm not gonna get on it or anything. I'm just gonna be cruising around just so you guys can catch the vibe. So let's go. Fine, we'll go this way. You got the T-tops off. This is a really nice summer cruising car. Can't wait till it's really nice out. Right now it's only like 60 degrees, but it's literally the only day I had to do this. 2 days ago it snowed. The day before that it rained all day. So yeah, it was pretty not Camaro weather. So I'm really happy today turned out to be a really good day. But yeah, this is my Camaro. I hope you guys are looking forward to all the videos I'm gonna make of this thing. I really love this car, and I know a lot of people who love these F-bodies really love them just as much as I do, and I can see why now. These are great cars, and I'm really looking forward to working on this car. And I hope you guys are looking forward to everything I do to it too. You guys are gonna be seeing everything I do. I already got a whole bunch of stuff in the mail. Whole bunch of stuff has already came. Stuff's on its way. But a whole bunch of stuff that we're gonna do to this car, and I'm gonna film everything. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys are looking forward to all the stuff we do in the future, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.